After the Missouri House failed to fund the Medicaid expansion, the House Budget Committee plans to spend that money elsewhere.
Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley joins us live to explain where that money could go and how the fight over Medicaid isn't over yet. Emily.
Well, Jasmine and Vic, Governor Mike Parson, House Democrats, and voters who approved Medicaid expansion are now all depending on the Senate to fund it. Meanwhile, in the House, representatives are now planning to spend that money that was meant for expansion on other state agencies.
I think this body has very clearly chosen not to expand Medicaid.
It's been a long and lengthy debate.
Telling them they can't enroll, a restriction on enrollment.
Population.
In August, 53% of Missouri voters approved Medicaid expansion.
The folks in the expansion population shall be eligible for medical assistance under MoHealthNet and shall receive coverage for the health benefits service package.
Earlier this month, the House approved the state's nearly $35 billion budget without funding expansion.
If they wanted funds for this special interest program, they should have given us a funding source in the Constitution.
This decision by this chamber not to fund expansion is not about protecting these vulnerable populations. It puts them in greater jeopardy.
Originally, the House Budget Committee chairman said expansion would cost $1.6 billion, with most of the money coming from the federal government. Governor Mike Parson originally funded it in his budget request to lawmakers. Instead, the House voted Thursday to use those funds, $342 million, for things like adult high schools, school transportation, nursing homes, more public defenders, and mental health programs.
Continuing to try and just gauge the will of our caucus. I don't believe everybody probably agrees exactly where we should be.
The state budget is now in the hands of the Senate, who could add expansion back in. And if it's added, it could send lawmakers to conference to find a compromise.
I think that's more important. That's actually the bigger reason why we should do it on this side. Because if we do implement it, then it is a conferenceable item.
Now, the Senate plans to discuss the budget in the Appropriations Committee within the next week. I spoke today with the vice chairman of that committee, who says there are discussions going on behind closed doors about adding Medicaid expansion back into the state budget. Reporting live tonight from Missouri State Capitol Bureau in Jefferson City, I'm Emily Manley, Fox 2 News.